What's going on, everyone? Today we are taking a look at the SC01 by ProScreenCast. This is a wireless display adapter that allows you to wirelessly stream your phone or computer to your display. Looking at the specs, this has 4K resolution at 60 Hz, ultra low latency, HDR, 2.4 or 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and the ability to change from horizontal or vertical display with the click of a button. So looking inside the box, you get the device itself, the manual, an HDMI cable, which is a cool flat ribbon cable, and a USB-A to USB-C cable to power it. Looking at the unit itself, it's a very simple and small hockey puck shaped device. On top, you have your button to change the orientation of the screen. Then coming around back, you have an HDMI port and a USB-C power port. What's great about this device is it works with all computer and phone types. The more popular options like Google Chromecast and Apple TV both work great, but unlike those, this is not locked, nor do you need any extra apps. So if you have an Android phone, you simply cast using the built-in Miracast, and if you have Apple, no problem, this has native Airplay support as well. So setup is very simple. As stated before, there is no app required. You simply connect it to your monitor or device you want to cast it to and follow the on-screen directions. Right now I'm using this on a portable monitor, but this would also work great connected to a projector, TV, or just about any device where you would like to have a simple and easy wireless connection available. So looking at the screen, to get it set up, you simply follow the on-screen directions here. Once you do that once, it is now set up and ready to be used. Here I have my Android phone, and to cast this over, you simply do so with the built-in Smart View option. Alright, so here we have YouTube casting over. If we simply hit full screen, it'll automatically switch orientation, and there it looks great. So let's go ahead and switch it over to Instagram, and the first thing you'll notice is the screen is very tiny because it's placing a thin vertical app into a horizontal space. Typically, to fix this, you will have to dig around in settings to change how the display shows your content, but with this device, it's much more simple. You simply click this button right here, and just like that, it switches the screen to vertical mode and now displays properly. The screen is still slanted over, but if you change this way, you will just stand the screen up and you'll have a long, tall screen. This is so simple that a kid casting their phone and showing things to their friend could easily use and figure this out as well. Alright, so this device says it has ultra low latency, so let's go ahead and test that out and see how ultra low it really is. Here's a game I play with my kids often called Leap On. This should make a good test as there's a lot of moving objects, so we should be able to easily see if there's a difference between what's showing on my phone and showing on the screen. So let's go ahead and try that out. So as advertised, this is definitely very low latency. The character on my phone was very slightly ahead of the character on the monitor, but it was so minimal, and unless you're doing a side-by-side comparison like I'm doing now, it's very unlikely you'll ever notice it. For 98% of the people, this would definitely work well. The only people that would notice it would be those who do competitive gaming where every millisecond counts, in which case you are best just sticking to a direct HDMI to HDMI connection anyways. So I've been using this for a few weeks now, and it's definitely a great streaming device. I have a portable projector that doesn't have Wi-Fi or any apps, so I simply hook this up to the projector, and just like that, the projector is now a smart projector with a wireless connection. I've casted both my phone and laptop and have not had any picture or connection issues. So if you're looking for a device to wirelessly cast content, this is definitely a great option. I would even say is better than a Chromecast or Apple TV in that regard. Simply because no matter what computer they have or what phone they have, automatically you already know this device will support it without any issues. Alright, well that about wraps up this video. As usual, if you have any questions at all, just let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.